tell the differences between boys and girls. In fact, girls are also different from each other, and so are boys. No person can be an exact copy of another person. They, there may be some similarities, but
Similarities.
people are not exactly the same. It would be so boring to have the same looks and styles. Now let us count the things that are liked by both boys and girls.
Okay, now yesterday
Both
only I have told you. Okay, now please mute yourself. Now yesterday I had only told you, and even now today in the beginning of the class, I said that yes, boys and girls are different from each other. They are different in their looks. They are different in their choices. Even in the same category. If you talk about two girls, they are also different from one another. Like Mishki and Sanjeevni, they both are girls, but they are so different from each other in their looks, in their height, in their weight, in their appearance, in their likes, in their choices. Similarly, two boys, Swastik and Suryansh, they both are boys. But then too, they are too different from each other. It is not that they are boys, so they will look exact copy of each other. No, even the boys are so different from each other in their height, in their weight, in their looks, in their appearance. Though there are similarities, like both have two eyes, one nose, in their physical form, in their physical appearance, there is similarity, but then there are differences also. No two individuals can be alike. Look at your siblings. Your siblings, your real siblings, but then too also you people are so different from each other. Imagine this world having the same facial expression, same physical experience. It will become so boring if all the people will look so alike to each other. So there are similarities between girls and boys, and then there are differences also. Even in the boys, even in the same category, there are differences, and then there are similarities also. The main matter of doing this chapter, the main matter of concern is we should respect these differences. We should respect these choices. Like earlier, yesterday, one of you said that the major difference between the girl and the boy is that girls have long hairs and boys have short hairs. Yes, mostly it is so, but even boys can have long hairs if they feel like. There's no harm in that. They have this choice now. And even girls can have short hairs. It is their choice. And we should respect their decision and choices. You should not be judgmental that Array, what he has done, what she has done. We should respect they have their own choice in this regard. Boys, girls, both like to eat food, both like to play, both like to go out. Earlier we used to say that football is a game of boys. Boys can play football. But nowadays we can see that girls are also playing football. They also can make their career, if they want, they can make their career in this game. There are so many other such games like cricket. It is a preconceived notion in our mind that cricket is a boys' game, but it is not so. Even girls are playing cricket. They have their own teams. They also go out and play. Like Indian women cricket team, we have. It is the best example. So they have their choice now. Okay. Coming to Yash Yadav. Yash, read the second paragraph. Boys and girls enjoy all the activities. Read this paragraph, Yash. Yash, can you hear me?
boys and girls
Hmm.
enjoy all the activities together that have fun at school and home.
Together they.
Don't
Hmm.
you think
Do you think? Please go slow and read
it's
carefully
good?
what you are reading.
Do, do you think it is good and that boys can do
Can't.
what girls can do? It is it it is nice to say that great
Girls.
girls can wear Girls can vary what
Where?
boys were.
Where? Very bad reading. It shows that you don't read back at home. What are you reading? Please pay attention on the words that you are reading. And they are so simple words. Where, can't. You cannot read that because I had given you, or I have told you also to read the chapter. At least do one page reading. You people don't do that, and it can be seen in the type of reading that you are doing. Now, boys and girls both enjoy doing what girls enjoy. Boys also enjoy doing. They go out, they play, they have fun at home and school. Now, there's one question in concern. Do you think we can say that what boys can wear, girls cannot wear? Is it right to say that? Okay, let's ask Sanjeevni. Sanjeevni, please unmute yourself. What
Yes,
boys
ma'am.
can wear, can girls also wear that? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Earlier, it was not so. Earlier in our society, boys used to wear these jeans and pants and trousers, and women were usually concerned to, salwar suits and saris. But with the gradual progress in time, even women can wear jeans, even women can wear trousers. There's no harm in that. What boys can do, girls can also do, and what girls can do, boys can also do. Earlier we used to hear that no, this is boys work, only boys can go out and work. But now girls can also go out and work. Earlier we used to hear girls can only cook food, boys cannot. It is a girl's job to look after the house. But no, it is not such a thing now. Even boys can look after the house, even boys can cook food, even boys can take care of the children, even men can take care of the children. Okay, read the third paragraph. I read. Okay, Shreyash Verma, please read the third paragraph.
Girls can have short hair if they like, and boys can wear bright colored clothes if they want to. Their de-
The
decisions and
decisions.
choice decisions and choice should be respected, and they should be treated equally and given equal
Opportunities.
opportunities.
Opportunities. Okay. Like I said, their decisions should be respected in whatever field they want to enter, in whatever clothes they want to wear, whatever type of appearance they want to have. It should not be judged. Their decisions, their choices should be respected, and they should be given opportunities. Like women can also have short hairs if they want. There's no such compulsion that if she's a woman, if she's a girl, she need to have those long hairs. No, even if she wants, it's her decision. She want to have short hairs, she can very well have. There's no point. We should not judge her. She should be given equal opportunity, and her decision should be respected. Especially even boys. Boys can have long hairs if they want. Boys can wear bright colors clothes if they want. There's no harm in that. Their decisions should be respected, their choices should be respected, and they all should be given equal opportunities. Okay, now there's a small revision exercise here that we are going to do. Okay, let's start. I'm going to read the sentence, and one of you will just tell if it is right or wrong, and you can just put a short tick mark over there. I will call out your name, then only you will unmute yourself. Only women should look after the house. Okay, Saransh. Only women should look after the house, right or wrong?
Ma'am, wrong.
Wrong. Even men can look after the house. It is both of them, both women and men are responsible to take care of their house. Put that wrong cross over there. Independence makes a person smart, confident, and happy. If you are an independent person, you are not dependent on anyone for anything. You will be more smart, happy, and confident. Okay, Ansh, right or wrong?
Right.
Right. If you are an independent person, you will be more happy. You will be more smart. You will be more confident. The third one, people have similarities, but they are not the same. Abul, people have similarities in them, but are they same to each other or are they different in that regard? Please answer right or wrong.
I'm right.
Right. People have similarities, but then they are not same. The best example is look at your siblings. Like Abul, you have your elder sister at home, and others also. They are your real siblings. You have similarities, but then you people are not similar to one another. Even two siblings are not similar to one another. How can we expect other person to be similar, to be just like us? Like me and my brother, we have similarities, but we are not exactly similar to each other. He likes something else, I like something else to eat. He likes to go out, I don't like to go out, or something like that, etc., etc. But we have similarities, but then we are not similar to each other. Only girls like drawing and painting. What do you think is a girl's job to draw and paint? Avantika, only girls can like drawing and painting, and men can only like boxing and WWF. Yes or wrong? Right or wrong?
Ma'am, wrong.
Wrong. Even boys can enjoy drawing and painting, and even girls can enjoy wrestling and that boxing and everything. Both of them can enjoy whatever it is their choice. The last fifth one. Everyone's choices and decisions should be respected. Mohak. Everyone's choice and decision should be respected, or we should oppose them, we should stop them from doing so, saying that it is a girl's job or it is a boy's job.
Ma'am, the answer. Ma'am, it is right.
It is right. Whatever decisions a person make, we should respect and try to understand those decisions instead of stopping and opposing them and criticizing them. Now we will move forward and see how living in a society, how living in a community, we can enjoy and celebrate among ourselves. We can enjoy these differences and we can enjoy the similarities that we have. We can celebrate those similarities, we can enjoy those differences that we have. Living in a society, we cannot say that girls are not important for the society, or we cannot say that the boys are not important for the society. Both girls and boys, men and women are equally important for the society, for the living. Each and every individual holds his or her own importance. So we should respect those things and we should celebrate together. We should live happily together. Let us read how. Okay. Ansh, can you start reading, celebrating and enjoying these differences?
Living in this world is a lot of fun because we are all so different. We are different in some things by birth. For example, two friends have different looks. We are also different because of our choices. For example, you like to play football, but your friend like to play volleyball.
Okay. Now, as I told, we should enjoy the differences that we have. No two people are exact copy of one another. Everyone is different from another. Somebody likes to play football, somebody likes to play volleyball. Somebody likes to eat non-veg, somebody likes to eat veg. Somebody likes to eat, ice cream, somebody likes to drink tea. So it is entirely their choice. It is entirely their decision what they want to do. Somebody like there are two best friends. For example, there are two best friends. They're best friends. They like each other a lot. But one friend wants to become a chef, and the other wants to become a teacher. So we should respect those differences. It is not so that since they both are best friends, so they have to go in the one profession. They have to opt for the one profession. They are best friends, but they have the right. They equally enjoy the power of choosing their own profession. If one wants to become a teacher, well and good. If other wants to become a chef, well and good. We should respect their decision. We should enjoy their difference. If, I'm telling you, every person is different from one another, and every person is unique in herself or himself. Everyone holds his or her unique importance. Unique means different, special. Every one of us is special. Even you all, even I, everybody is special in her own regard, in her whole his or her sphere. We should respect that decision. We should respect that difference. Let's find out the differences. Now, how are we different from one another? What is that different? What is that thing that make us different from one another? We are different. We are different from each other by our looks, by our taste, by our appearance, by our way of dressing, by our food, by our games and hobbies, by our choices, by our decision, by our thinking ability. We all are different from one another. Okay, Avantika, read this paragraph where it is written looks. Please start reading that paragraph. Avantika, can you please hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read that paragraph. Looks. Avantika,
Yes, ma'am.
please read that paragraph where it is written looks, page number 34. Can you see that paragraph? Looks.
We like to dress.
Avantika, I'm talking about looks. The first paragraph, looks. Can you see we look different from each other? Please read that paragraph, page number 34.
We look different. We look different each other. We have different.
Slowly, please go slow. Please go slow and start reading once again. You have eaten a lot of the words. You have skipped a lot of the words. Please start reading once again and go slow. There is no hurry.
We look different from each other. We have different festivals.
Features. We have different features. Huh? Yes. We have different features. Height.
With
Weight.
vegan and with and
First of all, please switch on the camera. First of all, forget it. First switch on your camera. Forget about that word. Switch on your camera first. And please repeat after me. We have different features.
different features.
Read the entire line. Whatever I am reading, you have to repeat. We have different features.
Features.
Height. Weight. Avantika, are you there? And hairstyles. Now read the entire line again. We have different features, height, weight, and hairstyles.
We have weight and hairstyle.
Okay, now continue reading with the second line. Continue.
Here are different living back in different looks.
Now please practice reading at home. You are not reading the chapters when I am giving you as homework. And that is why I had to make you all read this in the class today. I didn't want to read the chapter because I had already given the explanation of the chapter yesterday. But since I know you people are not reading back at home, so I had to take up this class of reading today. It was not scheduled for today. Today we had to discuss the exercises. But what could I do? I knew that none of you are reading back at home and I can make out very well. So we are different from one another by our looks. Some have short height, some have long, some are taller, some have more weight, some have less weight. We have different physical appearance, different facial expression, different features, different skin color, different hairstyles. The world is beautiful with these different types of living beings, and we should appreciate their different looks. We should not criticize others by saying that the other person has short hairs or the other person has long hairs. We should not make we should not make joke of their skin color. We should not make a joke of their height or weight. This world is full of different and beautiful living beings, and we should appreciate it. We should cherish those, these looks. Everybody is different from one another, and we should appreciate these differences in our looks. Imagine if everybody looks alike in this world. This world will be so boring. Everybody looks one alike with one another. Everybody is having same facial expressions. Can you imagine such world? Everything will be so boring, no? Now we have different facial expressions. We go out and see different types of people, and we enjoy looking at them. Okay, now coming to the language, how is our language different from one another? Some of us speak Hindi as our main language back at home. Some of us are having English as a main language. Bengali people speak Bengali at home. Punjabi speaks Punjabi language at home. Similarly, the ones living in the south, they have different languages: Kannada, Tamil, Telugu. They speak those languages back at home. They are more convenient with that. When we go to Gujarat, Gujarati people speak Gujarati languages as their main language. So we as different individuals have different language, different spoken language also. I'm more convenient in speaking in English. The other person will be more convenient in speaking in conversing in Hindi. The other one will be more convenient in conversing in Bengali. The other person is more convenient in speaking in French. If we go out of India, we find different countries have different languages. French, then Russia has their own language, Russian language, and so on. So we are different with one another, not by our looks, but also by the language that we speak. Okay. Mark, please read this paragraph, language.
We speak different languages. Your friend may be speaking English at home and you may be speaking Hindi. In this way, friends learn from each other. From differences, we get opportunities to learn.
Now, one more thing. From differences, we get opportunities to learn. Supposingly, I am different from you all. I speak English, you speak Hindi. So you will get to learn English from me and I will get to learn Hindi from you. Supposingly, one of your friend is, Bengali. He is very fluent in speaking Bengali language. And you are very fluent in speaking English language. So that person can learn English from you and you can learn Bengali from him. You will also learn one more language and he and she will also learn one more language. So these differences, since we are different from one another, these differences help us to learn. They give us opportunities to learn from one another. We individuals are so different from one another that we can learn through our differences. These differences actually serve as a purpose, serve as a bridge that we can learn from one another. Is it clear to everyone till here? Don't unmute yourself. If it is not clear, you want to ask anything, then only unmute. Otherwise, don't unmute and say yes ma'am, yes ma'am. It will create a lot of fuss. Anybody who wants to ask anything can unmute himself or herself and ask any point, anything which is not clear. Why we are different, how we are different from one another, how we are different by our looks, how we are different by our taste, how we are different by our language, anything, any word, any line, any, whatever I've explained, anything which is not clear, please ask. Okay. Now, what you are going to do is, First, I'll let you know, tell your homework. Your homework is you will search about, okay, how many shall I give? Okay, 10. You will search, you will ask, you can ask your family, your friends, your elder siblings, anybody about the 10 famous personalities of India. You can search on Google as well if you want. You have to search, you have to find out about the 10 famous persons of India in any sphere. They can be chefs, they can be pilots, they can be scientists, they can in any field, they can be astronauts, they can be teachers of any reputed school, anything, any field. You are free to choose any career, any profession, but you have to look for about 10 famous personalities of India. You can ask your family and friends, your parents must be knowing about some very great personalities. They can be pilots, they can be of any field, as I told you, and you have to just write 1 or 2 lines about them. Supposingly Mr. XYZ is a famous chef in such and such hotel, anything, just 2 lines will do. The main purpose is you have to find out about this famous person. You can take up any field of your choice and you can find out 10 famous person. I'm giving you 2 days time, that is Saturday and Sunday. We'll discuss about it on Monday. Now, one more homework is on Monday, I'll be taking your maths test of chapter division. We have completed that chapter 5 division. You will have maths test on Monday. Monday we have maths class at 2 p.m. I'll be taking your maths test on division. And one more reminder that I want to give you all is you have 2 days time with you. Please complete writing the summary of your project work, those who have not written. Please read the stories. I think you all have done the reading of the story. Marking of nouns and adjectives is done. You please write the summary of both the stories. If you have not written, please start writing the summary. It should not be exceeding 1.5, or not more than 2 pages at any cost. Please write the summary of both the stories. And yesterday I could make out you people are having confusion with that science and maths project, that monthly budget project. See children, I understand it is not so that daily you people are buying something or the other. I could see that some people had 10-15 items in their list. See, it will be very chaotic. What I'm doing is I'm shortening your work. Daily you have to just write 5 to 8 items that are bought. Okay, you're maintaining the monthly food budget, you're making it daily, no? So just include 5 to 8 items, not more than that. Minimum 5, maximum 8. It will serve your purpose and mine also. So for today, that is Friday, 21st August 2020, month food budget. Give the heading and just include 5 to 8 items. Like early in the morning, milk was bought, milk 100 rupees. Then bread 50 rupees or 20 rupees or whatever. Or mama must have brought some fruits. So fruits 200 rupees. Just include 5 to 8 items, not more than that. Otherwise, it is becoming very, chaotic. It is becoming very confusing for you all. And I understand at some places it is not so that daily you are buying the food items. If it is not so that daily you don't have 5 items to include, just write it. You know what items are bought, no? So you can write about those items. You can include fruits, even if they are not bought. Then you can include, because I understand daily things are not bought at home. So you can just write fruits 100 rupees. Milk you can include daily, because milk is such a thing it is bought daily. So you can include milk, fruits. You can include other items like bread. Then some of you can write pulses, rice, and other spices that are being bought. Just 5 to 8 food items, not more than that. And I'm talking only about the food items because it is your food budget, not nothing else. You will just include the food items. Even if 5 items are not bought at your home, you can write about those 5 items. You know what is being bought at your home. Even if it is not bought, just include in your budget. Okay. Now, anybody wants to ask anything? Any confusion? Now, one more thing. It's a humble request. Please attend your communication class on Monday. That is at 4:15, because I'll be explaining about the science project, the second step, what you are going to do. The first one was clear. The food budget thing was clear. Now the second part of the science project and arts project I'm going to explain on Monday. So please attend the communication class wherein you have to plant in some seeds and observe it. So please attend the communication class on Monday because I'll be explaining in detail. I'm once again repeating the homework. You have to search about the famous personalities of India and write 2 lines, not more than that. Then you have your maths test on Monday. You have to write the summary. You have Saturday, Sunday, and then half of the day of today also. You have to write the summary. Sorry. Don't include more than 5 to 8 items in your monthly budget, in your daily budget that you are making. And please attend the communication class on Monday. I'll be sending the reminders on the group as well, but I've told you all personally also. Anybody wants to say something? Please revise this chapter. And if you come across
Okay, ma'am.
anything, you can ask me. Okay? Please revise this chapter. If you come across anything, please ask. We'll continue with this chapter in the next class. Okay? Bye for now. We'll be meeting tomorrow for the computer class. Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. You all can exit.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
good evening, ma'am.
Ansh, you can log out now.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. 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 Please log out. You all can leave.